Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you will all be fine. So the test which I have selected for today is present perfect tense. In making a present perfect statement, we simply follow this pattern. Before we follow the pattern, we have to understand that what is the meaning of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense tells us that some action is completely finished in the present time. So the pattern which we are going to follow in the case of the positive sentences is subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb. In this way, you have to construct the sentences with present perfect tense. We use present perfect tense for actions that started in the past and continues in the present. It means you can see in these sentences, I have lived here since last year. She has given her friends a lot of gifts. We have been friends for 10 years. So all these sentences, they are simply telling us that something is completely finished in the present time. We also use present perfect tense to talk about experiences. I have been to Rome once. So if you have to say, I have visited Rome once. So instead of saying this, you can also say, I have been to Rome once. What is this been over here? It is the third form of be. The three forms of be are be, was, and been. So been is the third form of be, which we have used over here with have, because we have already decided that in the case of present perfect tense, we use has or have with the third form of the verb. In the second example, she has had several jobs. Now, has is the helping verb and had is the third form of has. So, had has been used over here as the third form. So, in this way, we have subject, which is she. Then we have helping verb, which is has. And had is the third form of the verb. Had is the third form of has. So, in this way, we have constructed a sentence with present perfect tense. If we want to make a negative sentence, then we will use has not or have not plus third form of the verb to make negative sentences. As you can see in all these examples, instead of writing has not or have not, you can also use contractions like hasn't or haven't. Then we have interrogative sentences. If you have to make an interrogative sentence with present perfect tense, so in that case, has or have will come in the beginning of the sentence, and right after has and have, you will have subject, and then rest of the sentence will be constructed. In this way, you are going to have your question in your exam. Verb will be there in the bracket, and you will have to change the verb according to the sentence. Now, students, the most important thing are the signal words for the present perfect tense. Signal words can help us recognize which tense to use. I always tell you that you always have a signal word in a sentence, a key word in a sentence, which tells us which sentence or which tense you have to use in order to change the verb of the sentence. Most of the students, they get confused in the sentences. So these signal words will help out to understand which tense you have to use in order to change the verb of the sentence. So the signal words in the case of present perfect tense are ever, never, already, just, not yet, so far, until now, up to now. These are all the signal words which will help you to use the present perfect tense in the sentence. Now I have prepared a few correct use of the verb, a few sentences. This is the question which you have in your class 9 and in your class 11. I just sent a document. He never asked a question. We already buy some biscuits. Lance carried that heavy bag all the way home. So all these sentences have signal words in them, which will tell you that you have to change the verb according to present perfect tense. Now we have the answer key. I have also prepared an answer key for you people. I just have printed a document. He has never asked a question. We already have. If you write we have already, it will be a wrong construction. So keep this thing in your mind that right after subject already will be there and then have will be there. And then the last sentence is there. Then we have some more correct use of the verb. In all these sentences, the negative sentences are there, and you can see yet is there, for years is there, up to now is there. Some signal word is there in all these sentences, which is going to tell you that you have to change these sentences according to the present perfect tense. And here is the answer key to all the sentences which were there in the first slide. So try to solve all the sentences yourself and then you can check your answer with the help of the answer key. Here we have interrogative sentences and all these interrogative sentences you can see that you can change with the help of present perfect tense because all of them have some signal words which are going to tell you that you have to change them according to present perfect tense. Like yet is there, how long have you been over here, how many letters has he written. So all these words, the context of the sentence will tell you that you have to change them according to present perfect tense. Now you can check your answers with the help of this answer key. So I think your idea of the present perfect tense would be quite much clear by now. So whenever you have a sentence over there in your exam, always try to check the keyword over there, the signal word over there. So it will be very easy for you people just to recognize the tense of the sentence, just to decide which tense you have to use in that particular sentence. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.